Good day, crafty gems. It's Nikki here, and welcome to the 30 Days of Inchies challenge. And today is Pendant. And do you know what? I don't really have anything that I can really, truly, hand on heart, say I can use as a pendant. Although I do take jewellery apart, but I'm pretty darn sure I don't have any pendant fixings. You know, I've got like hoops and things like that, but nothing that I can use that screams at me. You can stick me on the back of this thing and use me as pendant. The only thing I had was this little hoop here, this little fixing here. So I'm pretty sure that was it. Yeah, nothing screams to me. Unless, of course, I did something like that. And then put that onto a necklace, onto a chain. Of course, you need to glue all this hard as well. Hey, that could be quite funky, couldn't it? No, let's do it with the smaller one. And okay, I don't have any glossy accents left, but I do have some embossing powder that I could probably use on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue this down. Did I say what we're doing? Pendants, yeah. Day 26 as a pendant. So I'm going to glue that down and maybe use some embossing powder on it. Yeah, why not? So I'm going to use this glue. Just pop that there. Then I'm going to use this glue. So that was just for sticking that there. Then we're going to use this glue. I'm using good amounts of it because I'm hoping it will all stick together. Sorry about the shadow from the light. Just hope I don't stick all my fingers together while I'm doing that. Apparently it's not quite an inch square. Stick that one right down in there. I feel some trimming coming on after it dries. Alright, so we'll just let that dry now. Okay, this one isn't properly dry yet, but I am just going to move that over to centre it up a little bit more so that when it dries, I've already snipped off the side. And what I'm going to do is have a go at embossing. I'm quite brave on this because the glue's not quite dry yet, and who knows what could happen, huh? Actually, I should just ink up that side where I just snipped it off. Who knows what could happen? I'm being very brave or very silly, one or the other. So we'll just pop this on here. I don't know why I'm doing that, because it doesn't matter. Let's heat up my heat gun and then we will do some embossing. So here we go, here's the pendant on the chain, and the necklace. That's what it looks like on that side, and that's what it looks like on the other side. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to check out what Eileen McInnes is doing on her channel too. And check us out on International Crafters on Facebook and International Crafters on YouTube, where Eileen McInnes and myself live stream every week, except for when I'm called into work, as happened. So yes, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I really appreciate it, and see you again soon. Oh, all the information will be in the description box below this video. See you again soon. Bye.